7 technologies that will revolutionize our world. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, stands at the forefront of technological innovation, offering unprecedented opportunities for automation, optimization, and insight. From intelligent algorithms and machine learning to natural language processing and computer vision, AI is transforming industries, revolutionizing decision-making processes, and unlocking new frontiers of human potential. Quantum computing. Quantum computing represents a paradigm shift in computational power, harnessing the principles of quantum mechanics to perform calculations at speeds unimaginable with classical computers. With the ability to process vast amounts of data and solve complex problems in seconds, quantum computers have the potential to revolutionize fields such as cryptography, drug discovery, and materials science. Biotechnology and genetic engineering. Biotechnology and genetic engineering are unlocking the secrets of life itself, offering new possibilities for health, longevity, and environmental sustainability. From gene editing and synthetic biology to regenerative medicine and personalized therapeutics, biotechnology is revolutionizing healthcare, agriculture, and environmental conservation. With the ability to manipulate the building blocks of life, scientists are pioneering new treatments for genetic diseases, enhancing crop yields, and mitigating the impacts of climate change, ushering in a new era of biological innovation and discovery. Renewable energy and sustainable technologies. Renewable energy and sustainable technologies are reshaping the way we power our world, offering clean, renewable alternatives to fossil fuels and traditional energy sources. From solar and wind power to hydrogen fuel cells and advanced battery technologies, renewable energy solutions are driving the transition to a sustainable and carbon-neutral future. Internet of Things, IoT, and smart cities. The Internet of Things, or IoT, and smart cities are revolutionizing urban living, connecting devices, infrastructure, and citizens in a seamless network of data and intelligence. With sensors, actuators, and connectivity embedded in everything from streetlights and traffic signals to buildings and vehicles, smart cities are optimizing resource use, enhancing public safety, and improving quality of life for residents. By leveraging real-time data and analytics, smart cities are transforming urban environments into sustainable, resilient, and livable communities of the future. Augmented reality and virtual reality. Augmented reality and virtual reality are blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds, offering immersive and interactive experiences that transcend traditional forms of media and communication. From augmented reality overlays and virtual reality simulations to mixed reality environments, AR and VR technologies are transforming entertainment, education, and enterprise. 3D printing. And last but not least, 3D printing is revolutionizing manufacturing and production, offering a new paradigm for customization, flexibility, and efficiency. With the ability to create complex shapes and structures layer by layer, 3D printing enables rapid prototyping, on-demand manufacturing, and personalized production. From aerospace and automotive industries to healthcare and consumer goods, 3D printing is unlocking new possibilities for design innovation, supply chain optimization, and sustainable manufacturing. As we stand on the threshold of a new era of technological innovation, the possibilities are limitless. From artificial intelligence and quantum computing to biotechnology and space exploration, the technologies of tomorrow hold the key to solving some of humanity's greatest challenges and unlocking new opportunities for growth, prosperity, and well-being. Together, let us embrace the future with optimism, curiosity, and a sense of wonder as we embark on this extraordinary journey of discovery and transformation.